How positive thinking can help you succeed in life. No one's ever succeeded at anything by thinking negatively all the time. If your vocabulary consists primarily of negative words like cannot, will not, do not, impossible, and the like, you will find it hard to succeed in life. If you truly want to conquer your goals and your dreams, then you're going to have to change up your vocabulary and start using positive words. If you don't, then you might as well not have those goals and dreams in the first place, because you will neither have the drive nor the motivation to succeed. The moment you encounter hardships, you'll start thinking negatively. You'll start telling yourself, this is too hard. I didn't sign up for this. Oh, but you did. You chose that path, remember? So if you really and truly want to succeed, then you need to pivot your thinking towards positivity. You can't let a little setback stop you from chasing your goals. Instead, you should develop a mantra specifically for times like this. Every time you think you're never going to get where you want, and you should just quit while you're ahead, tell your inner self to just shut up and continue what you need to do. Allowing yourself to give in to your negative thoughts is not going to lead you anywhere good. Imagine what's going to happen if you do give up. Will you feel happy? Satisfied? I think not. I think you'll be kicking yourself for quitting, for giving up too soon. You'll regret your actions, all because you listened to your negative thoughts. So put a lid on that pessimism. Learn to adapt and learn from your failures. It's how you're going to find success in life. With positive thinking, you'll go a long way, and you'll be able to accomplish so much more. Don't forget you're in the driver's seat. You control your destiny. Work on things you can control. For those things that fall out of your control, you can't do much about them. So think of ways you can get around those roadblocks. Challenges are there for a reason. They're there to toughen you up, to see how much you really want something. If you really and truly want to achieve your dreams, you'll do anything in your power to succeed. You'll develop positive habits, and you'll banish your negative thoughts to the farthest corners of your mind, never to be seen or heard from again.